I'm back in the car with a piping hot Grimaldi's pizza, and this is what the box looks like. Now let's open the box and see what the pizza looks like. And pizza looks really, really good, guys. Pizza looks amazing. It smells great. Plain 16-inch cheese pizza. This was $18 after tax. Grimaldi's Las Vegas. Here's a slice. Beautiful. Oh, look at the back. Look at that. Nice. Doesn't get any better than that. Look at that. Beautiful slice. Look at that slice. Outstanding. Delicious pizza, guys. Grimaldi's is good pizza. If you like thin crust, this is going to be your pizza. So here's the slice from the front. It's the back of the slice. It's from the side. It's from the side. It's a thin crust pizza. Brooklyn style pizza. It's very good. Very good. Delicious pizza. Delicious, delicious pizza. Grimaldi's is pretty much a chain pizza restaurant now. Originated in Brooklyn. Famous pizza place in Brooklyn. Now they're spread out pretty much across the United States. The dough is good, the cheese is good, the sauce I like. 4.5 out of 5. Pretty good pizza. Brooklyn style pizza. Go out, get yourself a Grimaldi pie, be happy. Thank you for tuning in to Parks and Pizza. I see you guys in the next video.